Execute faster and trade smarter with Bullet Trade. Introducing Bullet Trade, a high-velocity interface built for faster F&O trading on the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. Let's start by logging in to the Mirae Asset Sharekhan app. There are 3 easy ways to access Bullet Trade. The first way is from the dashboard. Scroll to the bottom of the screen, go to the Trading Tools section, and tap on Bullet Trade. The second way is through the menu. Tap the menu icon, and within Power Tools, select Bullet Trade. The third way is while trading a contract. When you tap on any contract, you'll see the Bullet Trade option instantly. Tap it, and the Bullet Trade window will open. Once you're inside Bullet Trade, you'll see the selected contract's price and key details at the top. Just below that, today's taken positions and real-time mark-to-market for the day are displayed. For analysis, you can switch between the mini chart and the market depth at the top of the window. The mini chart lets you analyze candlesticks. Simply choose your preferred time frame. You can also switch to the spot chart of the contract for better analysis. The market depth shows important data like open interest, implied volatility, and bid-ask prices to help you make informed decisions. The option chain takes you to the full chain, where you can select any strike and instantly return to the Bullet Trade interface. Finding and selecting contracts is quick and simple. Use the search bar to locate contracts easily. The option type for your selected contract is pre-selected by default, but you can switch between call and put anytime. Use the strike spinner to quickly change the strike price and adjust the expiry date whenever needed. As you change the strike or expiry, the chart and market depth update instantly, so you're always viewing the most relevant data before placing a trade. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the buy and sell buttons for quick order placement. Let's place an order. Tap Buy Call. The order window opens where you can set the price, number of lots, and order type. When you change the number of lots, the quantity will update dynamically in the order window. When you tap Confirm Buy, your order is placed instantly and a notification confirms the execution. To make trading even faster, you can set up one-click defaults. Tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Default Order Settings. Choose whether you want market or limit orders as your default. Set your preferred number of lots using the plus icon. If you want faster execution, you can also turn off order confirmation. Review the terms and tap Save. Your preferences are now saved. The next time you open the order window, these settings are applied automatically. If you prefer, you can also disable the order window entirely from settings. To track your trades for the day, tap the Orders and Positions button in the center of the window. This window shows only today's normal orders and positions of the selected contract. Carry forward positions are not included. Here, you can view selected contracts, place orders, view the total mark-to-market for the day, and your booked profit or loss. Net quantity shows your open positions. You can modify a pending order by tapping the Edit icon, adjusting the price or lots, and confirming the change. To cancel an order, simply tap the Delete icon. Since mark-to-market updates in real time, you can quickly square off your open positions by tapping Square Off All to exit at market price. To track all your positions in one place, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and select All Positions. You'll be redirected to the Positions report, where you can view and track both your carry forward positions and your day's positions in detail. Bullet Trade also offers powerful tools to spot opportunities quickly. Tap the search icon next to the three dots to access predefined lists such as most active contracts, open interest increase or decrease, long build-up, and long unwinding. These ready-made lists help you identify opportunities in fast-moving and trending markets. Select any list to view the contracts, then tap a strike to open its dedicated bullet trade window. Keep in mind that only today's orders and positions are displayed here. Mark to market and booked profit and loss reflect only the current day's activity and may differ from your final turnover report.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.